Believe it or not, Chevy Equinox, you have to remove this motor mount to get this bolt off. It will never come off without removing the motor mount. So we have to remove the motor mount to get to the belt, get it off. Let's try this. Make sure before you take these 3 bolts, the engine supported from underneath. Very important to support the engine. I'll show you. This is the old school schematic for how to put the belt back on. Let me show you something here. You're probably not gonna have same equipment I have, but Royal uses his own equipment, so that you see the engine is supported. Just have to raise it up. That's it, that's enough. Make sure this has come off. Let's take the 15mm bolts. This thing has come off, the front motor mount. And here is the belt. It's just, I think it's bad engineering. They could have think of a better idea to do this. Here's the whole belt is out already. Okay, this is how you get the belt off. You have to remove this motor mount.